check the label. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Hello students, welcome to class. Today I'm here in my kitchen, and what you're looking at is a little jacket that I bought for my granddaughter. She has a birthday coming up. And you can see that it looks in excellent condition. This jacket does, and these little boots. However, they are secondhand, and so they are an excellent purchase for the environment, and they are a great way to recycle things. Now, sometimes people think to themselves, well, if I buy a second-hand item for my granddaughter, what will people think? Will they think that I'm cheap? Will they think that it's gross? Will they wonder what's wrong with me? Or it's entirely possible that if you have family members who care about the future generations, they will see it exactly the way that you intended it, as a gift to help future generations by protecting the planet. I'm here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and at the secondhand store, this little jacket cost me $3, and these little boots cost $4. You can see here that people working in the store put the number 4 on there because that's how much they cost. So as vegans, we think it's a great idea to buy secondhand clothing. However, it's also important that we check the label to see what this is made out of. So let's have a look down here. We can just look at the tag here. And if I can zoom in a little bit, you will see that it says on there that the lining is 100% cotton and the outside is 100% polyester. Can you read that? So cotton and polyester are both vegan because they don't involve hurting any animals. They don't involve killing them and taking away their skin. We don't believe in taking away animals' feathers or their fur or their wool. So if we look at the boots here, we can see that the tag says all man-made materials, which means, once again, that nothing was taken away from an animal, nothing was stolen, and hopefully these fibers came from recycled materials. As vegans, we also try to take care of our clothing so that we can pass it on to another group of children afterwards. So thank you for being here, and thank you for being as vegan as possible.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that